Hello everyone. I want to first say Happy New Year. Welcome 2021. So I'm so excited about this year and what it holds. So I hope you guys are as well. So day 7, the last day of Kwanzaa. So the principle for day 7 is Imani, faith, believing in people, families, leaders, teachers, and the righteousness of the African American struggle. So you guys check out the history of African Americans, learn, understand, and teach. That's all that we hope and ask for. So let's go ahead and get started for day 7. Day 7, chicken coop dye works. So I have a little surprise. So this is T of the word respect from her Aretha Franklin theme this year, respect. So this is day 7 in a satin bag, unlike the other ones from the other days. And I can tell just by squeezing, I've got 2 skeins. So let's see what she packed for day 7. The first one is, oh gosh. Guys, check this out. It is a yarn that has the little, I don't even know what you call these. She calls it tinsel DK, but check it out. I love it. I have never worked with a yarn like this before. Absolutely gorgeous. And of course it's kind of a purple color, so Alexis will love that. And of course her colorway is Happy New Year, which is absolutely appropriate. So this is 50% superwash merino and 50% silk. So it's sequins, approximately 218 yards. So I should be able to make something awesome with this yarn. But sequins, come on guys, sequins. So let's see what the other skein is. I love it. Check this out. This is Crown. And that is her base for this one. It is 70% superwash merino, 20% silk, and 10% cashmere. 437 yards. And the colorway is Onion Skins. Gorgeous. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Carol, for a wonderful, wonderful box this year for Kwanzaa. I have thoroughly enjoyed all 7 days, and I cannot wait to see what next year holds for you and this box. So guys, if you're thinking about Kwanzaa for next year, check out Chicken Coop Dye Works. Let's move on to Mitchell's Creations Tara. So let's start with her mini. Of course, it's on her lanyard base, and it's for her 4-ply, and it is 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, 92 yards, 20 grams, and today is purple. Check this out. Is it not gorgeous? Beautiful. I love it. And then she also included an extra for day 7 as well. So let's see what day 7 holds for her, or for me. So before I show this, let me read the, it is of course again on her lanyard base, and the colorway is no stone unturned. Look at this. It is a gray base, and I'm hoping there's little speckles of color in it. I don't know if it's picking up in the camera or not, but it is lovely to say the least. And it is 231 yards. So please check out Chicken Coop Dye Works and Mitchell's Creations all year long for all of their beautiful colorways that they have. So you will not be disappointed. So thank you guys so much for joining in with me on these 7 days of Kwanzaa, and we will see you in the next podcast. Bye-bye.